In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Discord. If you've blocked a user and want to reverse that, the process is quick and happens entirely in your settings. I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect after you unblock. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or the web version. The layout is essentially the same for this task. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you land on your home or server view. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your avatar and username, and right beside them is a small gear icon for user settings. Click that gear to open your settings. This is where Discord groups all your account privacy and app controls. Inside user settings, find the section labeled Content and Social in the left sidebar. Depending on your window size, it may be under a broader app settings heading. If you're having trouble spotting it, resize the window or scroll the sidebar until you see it. Go ahead and click Content and Social to open that page. On this page, scroll to the section called Accounts you've blocked or ignored. This is where Discord lists users you've previously blocked, as well as any ignored requests. The blocked list shows the accounts that can't DM you or interact with you directly. Now locate the account you want to unblock. If your list is long, take a moment to scan carefully. Look for the correct username and avatar so you unblock the right person. Click on the entry or open its options so you can manage that user. Finally, click unblock. You may see a quick confirmation prompt. Confirm the action if asked. Once unblocked, that user regains the ability to message you, add you to group DMs, and interact in shared servers as normal. Keep in mind, unblocking does not automatically add them as a friend, and it doesn't change any server roles or permissions. If you prefer to keep message limits in place, you can adjust your privacy settings on this same Content and Social page. And if you change your mind later, you can block the user again from their profile or from your direct messages. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, head to user settings, go to Content and Social, open accounts you've blocked or ignored, pick the user, and hit unblock. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore the other privacy and safety options here to keep your Discord experience comfortable and in your control.